a day in my life in Rio. I'm awake, I'm tired, and I must get up, meditation first, and then we eat, and then we pack some lunch. Today is a dancing day, let's do it. I made an error. I thought my class was at 11:30, but it was at 10:30. And then I went there and it was just a beginner class, and I'm ready now for intermediate. So I didn't want to use up another lesson on a beginner class. That's the exact same that I've done now twice. And then technically twice last year as well. So it's raining miserably. I got a moto back home just to be most efficient. I was gonna eat my food there, but I realized I didn't pack a fork and it would have been way too messy. So I'm back home, gonna eat now. Now I have time to chill for my belly dance class. I got my letter back from the dietitian. So I'm gonna read that and see what it says. Oh, that was so much fun! It was like classic Egyptian style, which is a lot of like the arm movements and travel steps. They're very delicate. You just do some shimmying at the end, which isn't in my video. And damn, my shimmy is weak AF. Really, actually, I'm gonna start practicing every day, just a little bit of drills, like 10 minutes. So in the class of intermediate, so we're doing shimmy layered, which is on top of like another move, and my shimmy without any layering is weak AF right now, so I need to practice because now it's impossible for me to do it layered because it's not really shimmying. The teacher's like, with shimmy, I'm like, I'm trying. Treating myself. Well, I'm gonna have half now. And the other half later. I've agreed to do a Pilates class at 9 a.m. with a girl I met last week, and she's really cool. Good vibes. I think it's Reformer Pilates from the pictures, and I have done that once, and it kicked my butt. Like, it was really hard. So I'm kind of looking forward to it because I really want to do like more kind of like body weight type. Oh, I haven't done my push-ups today. I've been trying to do 3 push-ups a day. That's all I can do right now. And then increase after like a week to like 4 push-ups per day and so on. So I'm gonna do my push-ups once my food has digested. I don't know why I agreed to this 9 a.m. Pilates session. I think I'm going to be destroyed. And I've had diarrhea this morning. And actually, but yesterday, which is why I think I'm feeling a bit lightheaded. So annoying. I thought I was over the diarrhea stage. Apparently not. Makes me wonder though if it's something that I'm eating here or if I'm getting too much of the water in my food because you can't drink the water here. I don't know. completely, so. Oh well, time for a shower and I've washed my clothes before. Oh, I've got half an hour for my Spanish class.
¿Ha estado muy caliente estos días?
Hoy?
Yes, hoy.
Oh, no. It's Rio. It's raining.
Oh, go out.
Yeah.
So the particle for me is me. Ready? Please, ¿cómo cambiamos esto? Aquí lo que estoy poniendo.
Okay. This is lava. Lava.
Bien.
So I'm trying now not to use my electronics when I'm eating, and I have like a balanced plate here of vegetables, and I'm slowly increasing my lentils first, and then I'll try some like black beans because I think there's just like more of that here. I've been trying to cook my eggs a bit more because I felt like maybe is this why I got diarrhea? Yeah, the idea is to have around 30 vegetables, fruit, legumes, 30 different foods a week to invite that variety and for your gut to be trained on being able to cope with more of each thing, but you do it gradually. Being more mindful and doing my meals more and eating more slowly. This is a big focus of my time in Rio. It's all going to be all about my gut. I am thinking of extending my stay in Rio to 2 months, and then I will continue on with my travels because I'm not fully like recovered yet from how tiring the traveling is, and I really want to gain a bit more weight because I have been unwell and I've lost some weight, and normally that doesn't happen. It's not something that happens regularly to me, so I just need a bit more stability right now, and like feeling safe from this stability, like my body recognizing where I am, coming to a home, like not being around other people's energies, and like really relaxing and de-stressing, dancing as much as possible, because once I start the travel mode again, the dancing just like is pretty inconsistent depending where I am. Like if I'm in the city, then yes, I can do it. But if I'm in nature, it's not really around and I really miss it. It's just prioritizing that, and also thinking about how I can make money because I don't have endless savings and they are going to be running out soon. Now I'm going to edit this vlog. I'm going to try and do these short these short vlogs of like a day in my life in Rio. It's a bit rainy this week, so it's hard to get the camera out, but I'm hoping you'll be able to see a bit more when the weather gets better in the outside world. So stay tuned for these like bite-sized series of my time in Rio. Hopefully see you soon, catch up soon, but bye for now.